Alright, got a watch to unbox here. I put $56 into a raffle to get this watch. Got lucky, I didn't actually even know they were doing the drawing tonight that they did it. I just got a message while I was at work asking me for my address, so that was kind of cool. That's kind of cool looking packing material. Packaged well. Looks like we got instruction manual. This is purchased in 2003. That looks pretty cool. This is my first Hamilton that's not a khaki. I'm not sure if it's actually 19 years old. It's a pretty nice strap. The other Hamiltons that I've had, I've taken immediately off of their straps and put on something else other than the khaki with the canvas. That one I liked. No threading on the crown as usual with a Hamilton. Pretty sweet watch.